This is my apology video. I'm just going to show you. Here's a rig coming up on the left, a drilling rig. I just had to stop and pull over here to re-record over this because it was so loud. Anyways, that was one drilling rig. There's another one coming up here on the right. But yeah, anyways, this video is just explaining why I can't get a scrapping video out today. I just stopped on the side of the road to do this. Yesterday, Scrap It All had asked me how my day of driving was going, and so I had recorded this road that we're on right now in the night, or I guess it's morning, but I had recorded it during the day, and then I thought, oh, I'd just kind of pull over and explain this. And so this is what the drilling rig looks at night. Then we're going to switch quickly to the daylight, and then back on at the start of the road. Coming right now. So, yeah, I've been probably a month straight of not having a day off. I haven't, maybe more than a month. I don't even know. I've lost count. But, so this is the new road that we've been building. This part was built last year. We graveled it and everything last year so that they could get these 2 leases done at the first. But yeah, it's been really hard. So I've luckily I've only got a day or 2 left after today, so I see an end in sight, but it's just been really draining. I haven't been able to do any work around the house, the shop, anything. It's by the time I get home at night, I'm exhausted. I get something to eat, try to go through Discord and some videos, and then go to bed. So just explaining that. And I tried really hard last night to get a scrapping video edited that I had done earlier, but I fell asleep, and then I had to go straight to work, and I didn't have time to do any more editing. I was able to put this together because it's just basic. But so that's the first oil rig down there. You can't really see them as well in the daylight, but I'm just just showing you. So anyways, yeah, it's been pretty rough. I've been just been trying to get stuff. I'm getting the part of the building cleaned out, or it is cleaned out now at the front there, so I can at least move around. But I had to hire a guy to do that, and then I had to hire Royce to haul the stuff away, which is fine. It had to get done, and I haven't had time to do it. So there's that other rig there. And then this road, I might stop it here and just kind of fast forward up. It's basically, it's just a brand new road. We just built this to connect 2 roads. We just got the final gravel on a couple days ago, and I've just been really enjoying driving down, taking this way. It's a few kilometers shorter, but it's just a much nicer. There's like no other traffic on it. It's just a nice road to take. And this hill, this is a really long hill and pretty tall. But I'll probably just kind of fast forward through this. There, I just hit the fast forward. So I know I don't have to apologize. I know I don't have to have a video out. I've just been really trying to have some consistency, and I should have known better than to try and do it while I'm already so busy. But anyways, this is the video. This is like the corner. It's really gravelly. You can see it's like really washboardy, so I've got to slow down to like 10 kilometers an hour. But right up here is just what I love the most about this road. I stop up here, get out, walk around, check the truck, make sure nothing's wrecked. And so off in the distance there, that's Butler Ridge. I'm pretty sure that I stop and zoom in on it a bit, but the we're pretty high up here. I don't know what the elevation is. I probably could find that out on the phone, but I just love getting up here and just looking around and looking at the mountains, and it's Yeah, it's just one of my, I don't know, one of my happy places. And I know it's weird, like, so there, yeah, that's Butler Ridge there. It's not all of Butler Ridge, it's just part of what you can see. There's like another little foothill in ahead of it that you can't see by, but okay, I came to the end pretty fast. Anyways, this is the water pond it's for fracking. Anyhow, that's it. The video's gonna end very soon here, and just kind of wanted to show you guys what I've been keeping busy with the last month and a bit. Okay, bye.